Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a home decor haul. I recently went to Target, TJMaxx, and HomeGoods and Marshall's. I got a lot of things for the house. In a couple of videos ago, I mentioned that I wanted to redo the decor on my kitchen countertops, and I also want to redo the bookshelves next to my fireplace. We just did a fireplace reno, and I want to just revamp the whole area and just do new decor. So I got a bunch of stuff. Don't know what I'm going to use yet. I might return some of the things, but I do like it all. I just don't know what I'm going to use yet. I have to play around with the items when I'm decorating to see what I like. Anyways, I got this basket from Target. This is part of the Bright Room collection. I wanted to use this on my bookshelf to put our fire logs in so you can't see them because they're an eyesore. The next thing I got, this is from HomeGoods. I got this for the kitchen as a fruit bowl. I have another one in here and I'll see if I can find it. Hold on. So I got this one to see if I like that, but then I also found this. This is from TJMaxx, this is from HomeGoods, but it's got this really pretty navy blue pattern in this. It is really pretty. I think I might go with this one for the fruit bowl. It's prettier. I'm doing navy blue pops of color in the kitchen, so I think this is probably going to be the choice I'm going with, but I never know until I start decorating. Next, I got, these are from Marshall's. These two, well actually three, these are from Marshall's. These are just wooden trays. I don't know what size I need and I don't know what shape I want, so I got a couple to play around with. I want to use these for my coffee bar and put my jars on it where my coffee bar is, but I don't know which ones I'm going to use yet. And here's another one. This one actually has little black stands on it. This one is from TJMaxx. So for my coffee bar, I wanted to do new jars. I did get a couple of options of those as well, but these are really super cute. These are clear jars with wooden tops. I want to do a lot of wood accents, so I think this would be really cute. I think this is going to be what I'm going to go with for the coffee bar. But let me show you what else I got to choose from. All right, I also got these from the dollar section in Target. I mean, these are $5 jars, but they're in the section when you first come in the door. These are really cute. They're textured glass jars with wooden tops, which is what I'm going for. Like I just said, I don't know which jars I'm going to use, so it's probably going to be a toss-up between these two. I just need to see what it looks like once I put everything together. I got some new wooden spoons. My kids take the wooden spoons out of the kitchen crock all the time, and they beat on things with them, and they break my wooden spoons all the time. So I got some new ones. These are from HomeGoods. These are like little white ones with wooden handles. These are just your standard wooden ones. So for the bookshelf next to the fireplace, I got a bunch of picture frames. Let me unwrap these and I'll show them to you. All right, so I got, why are white picture frames so hard to find? I went to 5 different stores trying to find white picture frames, but I finally found these, the last store I went into. I got these two, and then I've got these as well. And then these, I love these. These are 5x7s as well. I got 3 of those. I love these wooden frames. They're so cute. So yeah, so I got all of these for my bookshelf next to the fireplace. And see, I got this cute little fake plant. This was $7.99 from HomeGoods, but it was just a cute little succulent plant. I love the little vase that it's in. So I'm going to use this on my bookshelf as well. Here is another tray. I think I went a little overboard on the trays. Yeah, look. I bought the same tray at 2 different stores. Well, at least I have my options. So I got this. This is a wicker lantern, and you can put a candle in it. So I have 3 total of these. 2 of them I'm gonna put outside on my back porch when I redecorate that area, and then I have this extra one. I'm either gonna put this on the bookshelf or put it in the kitchen. I don't know until I play around and see what I like, but these are really cute. They were only $12.99 at TJMaxx. Super, super cute. And they have a glass vase inside for a candle. I have no idea what this is. Oh, it's a sweater. I didn't even try it on the store, so I don't even know if it fits or not. So I've been in Target like 4 times already, and I keep passing these pillows in there, and I want to get them every single time, and I just don't, because I don't really have anywhere to put them, but I can find a place. But I just had to get them. I just love it. I'm obsessed with navy blue right now. So this, I love these. I love these so much. And I got 2. I think I'm going to put these on the couch where my fireplace is, but they're just so pretty. I love them. And it's a really pretty texture, and it's white on the back. And do y'all just buy stuff and have no use for it, but you just buy it anyway because you like it? That's what I did with this picture frame. It's just a pier going out to water. It's like a linen piece of fabric, but it's painted. It's just so pretty. I love it. I might put this in the boys' bathroom. I might hang it in my bedroom. I don't know. But I just loved it, and I had to have it. It was $25 at TJMaxx. I didn't think it was a bad deal. I thought I had more stuff. Hold on, let me go check really quick. So yeah, I do have more stuff. Oh, I do have more stuff. I got this cutting board from the Hearth and... what is it? Hearth and Hand section at Target. I want to do layered cutting boards on the back of my kitchen counters. This one came from HomeGoods. But I was kind of planning on doing something like this or like this on my countertops. And then I also have this, another tray. This I got from Amazon, and this is what I'm going to, oh my gosh, I just remembered I had one more thing to show y'all, but this I got from Amazon. This is the tray I'm going to put beside my oven so I could put my crock on it and my olive oil and my salt and pepper. I ordered salt and pepper containers. They're so pretty. They're by Mud Pie. I ordered those on Amazon, and those are not in yet. Those won't be here until another week from now. But let me go grab the crock I ordered too. This I got from Etsy, from a lady who sells vintage pieces. I was looking for a navy blue pattern crock. I used to have one, but I sold it a long time ago, and I wish I didn't. But I can't find a navy blue pattern crock anywhere that I like. It's like they don't exist. But I came across this one. It's a vintage piece, but I just thought it was pretty. It's got a navy blue pattern on it, and honestly, it's the only one that I can find that I actually like. So I'm going to use this for my kitchen utensils in my kitchen. And like I said, I was going to put it on this tray, and with some salt and pepper shakers and my olive oil. I might layer cutting boards behind it. I don't know, but we'll see. So yeah, that's all for my home decor shopping haul. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Maybe got a little inspiration to get some new home decor pieces for your home. I'll be doing some decorating videos soon with all of this to show you how to put everything together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all soon. Bye.